a good time, say, oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We got some of the most amazing dancers from around the world tonight.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalet Ru ban Jurip ya kejaran PHC kebadan Amlarem ha ke distrik West Jingtei Hills. Ha ke ba menta lakan tiu kerdan no iaka syaka Civil Sub-Divisional Hospital ba ke Jingtei kini ke jaka sumar kelayat bahasa kemat balak milinti ban pendep kloy no iaka na kebenta ban ajik sumar kebabiang ya kipat ba katan. Ha ke ni ke Jing Jurip le dan lang Menteri Sarkar ba kemi ekatrat puli putih ba lak ban remboi ki he officer sarkar ki doktor ki nurse bat ki kiwai.
Now here where the PHC was here in Jingtei Hills in Amlarem, and as you can see this has been now upgraded into a civil a subdivision hospital, and the work is going on, and construction is going on at full pace, so we're very hopeful that this will also be completed very soon. Thank you so much.